To enroll in a free Ho'oponopono course, simply click here or down in the description below, you'll see the link ho'oponoponoseminars.com. If you are a student of Ho'oponopono, then chances are you're very aware of Dr. Hew Len and his great contribution which he has brought. You remember the story of him being asked to come and work at the Hawaiian State Prison inside of their mental ward with some of the criminals that had committed the most horrific crimes such as murder and rape. And he was asked to go in there and seek to help these patients. And before Dr. Hew Len had entered, this hospital and prison had gone through doctor after doctor, and the staff, the nurses, were being filtered through very quickly because typically as a doctor or a therapist or any type of healthcare provider, these individuals go into such a field because they want to help people and they want to see improvements with those individuals. And these past doctors just weren't seeing those improvements with the patients, with the criminals. Plus, it was a very dark and dreary place to come to work each day and to spend a third of your life there within those walls. But Dr. Hew Len decided to take on the challenge. He felt that the divinity wanted him to go forward and seek to clean for these individuals. And as he did, miraculous results came about, not because he was performing great therapy one-on-one or counseling or having the medications altered, but rather because he was going into his office to review the files of the different patient criminals and to see their heinous crimes that they had committed. And as he would do this, he would ask the divinity what he had personally done to bring about these errors, this garbage inside of these patients. And in doing so, he was then able to ask for forgiveness and say that he loved the divinity, even though there were these heinous crimes and difficulties. And in doing so, the prisoners, the patients began to change. They began to take more responsibility for their past and to recognize that what they had done was wrong and to seek to change their lives. I give great thanks to Dr. Hew Len for the work that he has done, for his dedication, and for helping more individuals in this world to become aware of Ho'oponopono and to provide us with such a simple way of performing the cleanings. I know some people have been frustrated that he is no longer performing cleanings for the public. And when they've asked me how they can contact him, I have to say that unfortunately, he's not taking on new clients. He's not working in that capacity anymore. But I tell them, he's made such a miraculous contribution to the world, to us, that we should still give him thanks. If you would like to enroll in a free Ho'oponopono course, simply click here or go to ho'oponoponoseminars.com.